Hello students, we are doing the chapter sets. Here we have seen what is sets and how to identify sets and also the methods of writing the sets. In that we have already seen roster method. Today we are going to see set builder form or a rule method. Before that, let us revise certain types of numbers here. You know what do you mean by a natural number, right? Counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so and so. Whole numbers is just the additional of 0 to the natural number, and the integers it's nothing you have to remember the number line. That is the positive numbers 0 and the negative numbers. Then even natural number. The natural number is nothing. So all numbers are generally natural number here. So we can have it even numbers here 2, 4, 6, 8 and so and so. And the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 so and so. Prime numbers which are not divisible by other than the two tables here, that is 1 and the number itself. So we have here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so and so. So you need to know this one very well so that the sums can be solved very easily here. Yes, there are two methods of writing the sets here. Roster method or a listing method, which we have seen yesterday. That was like just to list it out the numbers or the objects here, elements here. And today we are going to see the method that is a rule method or the set builder method, where we have to follow a certain rules to write this method here. Yes, rule method or set builder method. Here all elements of set has a common property. That means we need to identify the property. See here, we will see this sum first here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That means as soon as you see these numbers, what you understand? These are the even numbers, right? And next, if you see this one, A, E, I, O, U. What do you remember? These all are the vowels in the alphabet. This is the property we need to identify. Now if you look here, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. These all are the squares, right? Yeah, squares of which number? Natural number. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. Yes. Now, here see what is this number says. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all are the, yes, natural number, right? So this is the thing we have to identify, right? Let's see the first sum here. So this way you will be given the question, or this way. So accordingly we need to solve it. Okay, so letters in the word sentence. So letters in the word sentence, how we are supposed to write in set builder. This is a rule method or the set builder method. So we need to write it in a rules, following certain rules here, right here. So we will write it here. So is there any of the set name is given? No. So we can name it by giving any letter here alphabet. A equals to. Okay, curly bracket starts. Now as I said, this is a rule method. We have a different method. You have to always place one variable here. Okay, you always have to place one variable. Variable in a sense you can put X or a Y small letter. Then like this vertical line. This is said to be such that all the sums of the rule method we need to use X, M, Y or whatever small letter you can use it. I am using X here, and again you have to write it X. Okay, what it is that? X, it's a, and such that X is a letters in the word. You are going to write it all this, repeat it like this. Letter in the word. Letter in the word, same you are going to repeat it. Letter in the word sentence. Clear everyone? So, and you are closing the brackets here. This much only. We will see 2-3 examples. It will be clear for you. Now next one. What did we say this one? These all are the even numbers, right? Yes. So how we will be writing it? See, B equals to, right? B equals to bracket, what did I say? X, such that X is a, what this is all are a even number. Okay, is an even number. Can I close it? Because here if you see, you have to see one more condition. The condition says that you have to stop till 10. That means you cannot go to after 10. What is the next even number? 12. You cannot go till 12. You have to stop at till 10. So we need to give some condition. X is an even number. Okay, are you able to understand? And what is this? And it should be less than, at less than how much? 12. Why we are saying less than 12? Because less than 12 means we will come till 10. Okay, so less than 12. If you want to write it in another method also, there is a method. But I will give you in a very simplest method to follow this one. Okay, now what is this one? Now you will be very clear to write this one. How we will be writing? D equals to, for this one, X such that X is the vowel of an alphabet. Right? Now we will write D equals to X, okay, such that X is a vowel, what, of a English alphabet. Okay, English alphabet, and close the curly brackets. Clear? Now here, next question. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 and 49 here. Right, my dear? So now here what we are supposed to do here? Here this is all are the squares. So we are going to write it M equals to, okay, the set, what it says, X such that X is, what all this one I said is a square, okay, is a square of what? Whose square? Of a natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will write square of a natural number. Okay, square of a natural number. And they have stopped till 49. How we have taken? They have stopped till 10 means what is the next one we have taken? 12. So what is the next of the squares of the 40? After that 49, which will come? This is 7 square. After that 8 square, 64. So you can say X is a square of a natural number less than 64, or if you want you can write 50, you can write 64. If you, this is, we are stopping till this one, so I am writing less than 64. Understood? 49, because 60 is below 64, that is 49. Okay, next one. N equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is this? These all are the what number? It's a natural number, na? Yes. So we are writing what? N equals to X such that X is a natural number. Here do we need to give conditions? Here we have given a condition. Condition is what? You have to stop it till 49. That means less than 64. You have to stop it till 12. We have giving the condition. But here they have a condition. They said goes on, goes on. Can you see the ellipses here? Yeah. X is a natural number. We can stop it here. Are you very much clear with this? How to present it in a set builder or a rule method? We will see both the examples now together here. Now see, we are going to do a recap of what we have learnt here. Right? Recap. Set of odd numbers from 1 to 25. See, yesterday we have learnt, which one we have learnt? Listing method. And today we have learnt a set builder. But what we are going to do, we are going to first solve the set builder method, right? Let's see the set builder method. So we will give a what? Some name here, that is no set name is given. So I'll give a equals to set of odd numbers. Odd numbers. So how should I write it? X such that X is a set or is a odd number, not set, is a odd number. I repeat, is a odd number. Okay, and till where we have to stop it? Till 25. That means this is odd number, means 25 is also an odd number. They said till 25. So what is after 25 odd number? Is 27. So we will write is a odd number less than 27. Clear? See, always see. Odd number, next odd number is 27, less than 27. We have taken squares. So 49 square, next square is 64. So we have written 64 there. Now next one. Set P of colors of rainbow here. Okay, so what does the rule method says? Rule, again we are giving a name is what? P, because they have given a P here. P equals to X such that X is the color of rainbow. You remember we have written the alphabet also. Vowels, so similar. Stopped it here. And next one, set M is the multiples of 5. That means 5 table they are saying. Okay, so we are going to write it. This is so easy for us. M equals to the name of the set M. So we will write X such that X is a multiples of 5. Clear? Now next one, letters in the word preparation. See, we have seen one example also, na? Letters in the word sentence. How we have written X such that X is a letter in the word sentence. So we are also writing here. Here there is no set name. I am giving a set name as a B. You, as I said, you can use any alphabet. I am using Y here. Y such that Y is a letter in the word. Is a letter in the word. What is the word? Preparation. Right? So, listing method. We will recap of the listing method which we have learnt previous. Okay, listing method. See, set of odd numbers. That means, as I told you the best example, as we get into a hotel, we ask the waiter for all the things. We'll start listing. That means one by one. So what is that? Odd numbers 1 to 25. So we are supposed to name the sets always with anything here. B equals to from where to where? 1 to 25, and that's to odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. They said to stop till 25. I have written. This is a listing. Colors of rainbow. So again P name. Right? What is the color of rainbow? Vibgyor, that is violet, indigo, then the blue, green, yellow, orange, Vibgyor, red, finally. Right? Next, multiples of 5. M name, the letter name is M. M equals to 5 table. That means 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 25. That is goes on because they didn't put a condition. You have to stop till here. So I am going to put it here like this. Finish off. See, when they haven't given the condition, you have to stop where we will put a dot and finish off. You can put a 3 dots. That's more than enough. Letters in the word preparations. How to set name should be B. You remember we have to write it. All the elements should be only once present. R, E, P already written. So no. A, R already written. A written. T, S, I, S, O, N. See that no elements are repeated. Is there any elements repeated here? No. So you are clear with this listing method as well as a rule method. I hope now it's very clear. Thank you, dear.